Hello, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security and go to screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with the top of the list, so let's select none. Now let's pick swipe and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select pin this time password. And in the end, pattern. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.